Good morning! It's currently 4:58 a.m. and I'm on my way to my morning training. Alam niyo guys, I'm getting better at getting ready sa morning. Before, it used to take me like 15 to 20 minutes, but right now it takes me like less than 5 minutes to get ready. But yeah, I hope I survive today's training.
POV Ate Janelle. Ay! Ay! At least nag-27 siya. Training is done!
We just finished our training for today. Grabe, the training was so hard. We were doing sprint sets. Sobrang nakakahinga siya. But yeah, we are finally done. Ay, prayer daw muna, guys. How's your time?
27!
Yay! Training just finished and we're gonna be having our breakfast here at Percos. Here's the food for today. The food looks so good. How's the training?
So easy.
Wey, yan na naman sa easy.
Easy. Mamatay na ako. Good morning, ate.
Welcome to Pericos! Have a nice day! Ayaw gozaimasu!
So, Janelle, what's your name, Janelle?
Janelle.